Hi, I'm Helena Byun, and this is supposed to be my assignment for discussion 6. Not really sure what I'm supposed to be talking about, so I figured I'll just read off my research paper for hopefully 3 minutes at least. So my research paper is about cloud computing. So the intro is: humans are making great strides in science. Modern technology is constantly being improved upon, like increasing memory storage and downsizing physicality for convenience and portability. For instance, data storage went from immobile metal units to floppy disks to CDs to USB drives. Steve Jobs, the late chairman of Apple, said, "I don't need a hard disk in my computer if I can get the server faster." Carrying around these non-connected computers is Byzantine by comparison. Despite decreasing in physical size, data storage units were able to increase their data capacity as they were continued to improve upon themselves. In fact, with the introduction of cloud computing, people are now able to store and access almost unlimited amount of data anywhere they want, as long as they have an internet connection and a smartphone. Cloud networking is quickly expanding to even more than just storing data. Rather than just shy away from it, people should welcome and embrace the convenience it brings. Cloud computing refers to storing and accessing data and programs over the internet instead of your computer's hard drive. Cloud itself is made up of layers, mostly front-end and back-end layers, which are connected through the internet. The front-end layers are the applications that users interact with, such Gmail, Facebook, and Microsoft 365. The back-end layers consist of the hardware and software that supplies the interface that users see on the front end. The back-end usually takes place in data centers or warehouses full of computers that store the information. Its name comes from the earlier years of network design, when flowcharts and presentations were used to represent the huge data infrastructure of the internet. Network engineers needed a way to indicate that there was a network present, but they weren't totally focused on trying to explain the network itself. Based on a cloud drawing used before to represent the telephone network, ring ring, they decided to use a cloud as their motive and metaphor for the internet. Due to the far-reaching hands of the internet, cloud is also sometimes referred to as the internet because of its intangible and large widespread network, like clouds in the sky. Some benefits is that because it is a network-based storage system, users are able to store and access a nearly unlimited amount of data as long as they have an internet connection. Since information is stored in the data center in a separate location, it also helps as a backup in case users lose or break their devices. In addition, the offsite location also acts as a security measure against would-be hackers or viruses that try to infiltrate users' computers. Businesses are also reaping the benefits of the advancements of the cloud as well. The offsite storage location increases overall efficiency because companies no longer have to worry about power requirements or space considerations. Companies would also be able to cut down expenses because it reduces the need for advanced hardware and offers an alternative to having to buy separate software for every individual employee. According to a survey of 3,500 IT decision makers from different parts of the world, 82% of all companies save money on their last cloud adoption project, and 52% reported increased data center efficiency and utilization, while 47% companies said that they witnessed lower operating costs after cloud adoption. So it sort of shows that cloud can also improve the overall work quality of businesses. Because documents are stored on cloud storage system, it would allow ease of collaboration between employees by giving everyone access to the same master document. I'm only going to list the benefits of it because it's supposed to be less than 5 minutes, so ta-ta!